Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus of BG 4th semester education. The title of this course is Indian Education in Historical Perspective. And the theory portion of the syllabus consists of 60 marks maximum and minimum marks 24. The unit first of the theory portion of our syllabus is Education in Ancient and Medieval India. And in this we have A. Vedic education, its silent features, aims of education during Vedic period, methods of teaching, place of teacher and curriculum. B. Buddhist education, silent features, aims, methods of teaching, and then we have place of teacher and curriculum during Buddhist education. And in C. Muslim education, silent features of Muslim education, aims of Muslim education, methods of teaching, place of teacher and curriculum. So these two, that is Vedic education and Buddhist education, come under ancient period of education, and Muslim education comes under medieval. So the next the second chapter, second unit of our second unit of the syllabus is Education in British India first. And in this we have a Macaulay's Minute 1835, Buddhist Despatch 1854, Indian Education Commission 1882. Unit 3rd, Education in British India second. And in this we have Sadler Commission Report 1917 to 1919, War the Scheme of Education 1937, Sargent Report 1944. In Unit 4, the Unit 4 is Education in Post-Independence Era, and in this we have Secondary Education Commission 1953, Indian Education Commission 1964-1966, National Policy on Education, that is NPE 1986 and NPE 1986. And this is the credit second of the syllabus, and this is activity based, that is tutorial. And these are some recommended books. The most important book among these recommended books is Development of Education System in India by J.C. Agarwal. These are the other recommended books. This was all regarding the syllabus of BG 4th semester. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.